Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So, children, we started the topic percentage. Yes, good afternoon. Percentage. So, what is the meaning percent?
Ma'am,
Per means every day or
Every 100.
every day.
Okay.
Every
So,
100
percent
means 100.
100 and for per means it is every. So, every 100. So, it is out of 100. Out of 100 only, we will check the percentage. And children, we learned how to convert a fraction into percentage. What do you have to do? Write the fraction out of 100 multiplied with 100 percentage. Multiplied with 100.
Excuse me, ma'am.
You joined
My
the
last, yes, ma'am. Last class I was in there, so what you took?
what? So children, we are
Ma'am, can you
learning
hear?
percentage. Percentage. So what's the meaning of percentage? We were discussing percent means per 100. Okay, I meant the same topic we are repeating today. After that only we will start the classes and I will send the notes after this class. Percent means it is out of 100. Out of 100. So how we can find out the percentage? So to convert a fraction into a percentage, what we will do? We will multiply by 100 percentage. And we discussed the symbol of percentage. We can see whenever there, like when you go for sale, shopping, 20 percentage discount. We have seen, yes, many places. And wherever we are using percentage, we discuss how much percentage of mark you got for this exam, for annual exam. Is it 90%? So percentage we are using in our daily life in when we find the marks and that bank rates 4% for the interest loan. If I'm taking loan from the bank, there also we can see percentage. So how to find the percentage? Is to convert the fraction to percentage. What you have to do? Multiply it with 100%. And if the percent is given, means 20% means 20 out of 100. Percent means per 100. It is out of, yes, Anusri. 95%. How I will show Anusri, I will spot Anusri. So can you show for this for Ayman? So we were discussed. 95% means we will write 95 by 100. 95 out of 100. Okay, so children, we are going to do questions in the workbook today. All of you please take out the rough book. No, workbook. Page number 86. Page number 86. Who got first? Let me see. They will read first. Okay, again. Question number. Which question we had to do? Which question we had to complete?
13th one.
Question number 13. Till question number 12, we have finished. Yes, question number 13. Yes.
Convert the following percentages into fractions and decimals.
Decimals. Convert the following percentage. Percentage is given. Percentage. So that means 90%. So what we had to do just now, Anusri show. 95% means 95 by 100. So 90% is what we had to do. 90
by 100.
Only that much. Okay, man. Very easy. 90 by 100. Instead of this percent symbol, you have to just write by 100. That means divide by 100. And 90 by 100. What is the decimal form?
0.90.
0.90. So children, we will do together so we can understand and finish as much as problems also we can hear. Okay, children, page number 86. Page number 86. Page number 86. Okay, convert the following percentage into fraction. So children, when you do, listen carefully. The same questions are repeating. So you can do faster. convert 90% to a fraction. So this is the step we will write for 1 or 2 questions. Converting 90% to a fraction. To a fraction. Converting 90% to a fraction. What do you have to do, children? 90 by 100. Instead of this symbol, instead of that percent symbol, you have to write by 100. 90% by 100. So children, if you want to make it a simplest form, you can write. So converting 90% to a fraction. So children, what do you have to do? Listen and finish. Some children must have that day they have written and today they are opening the book. Maybe like that. So children, for them, I am repeating this again. Instead of this symbol, convert this symbol. What do you have to do? Divide by 100. 90% means 90 by 100. Now, one more question. Convert the following percentage into fraction and decimal. Now converting, same, we will write converting 90% into a decimal, So 90%, 90 by 100, we know already 0 there, it's there in the denominator. So how we will write 0.90? This we already learned in our chapter for fraction and decimals. Yes. So children, percentage means converting 90% to a fraction means 90. Instead of percent symbol, you have to write by divide by 100. So how to write the fraction, this fraction in decimal form? 0.90. Now, children, try to do question number B alone. Same like these steps. Converting, which is the question? 45%. 45. All of you, do alone. Children, try to write as fast. All these very simple question and same questions repeating. So, 13th one, B. Converting 45% to a fraction, 45%. Same steps we are writing, so write faster, to a fraction. So Adil, what we had to write? Adil. 45%.
45 by 100.
Very good, 45 by 100. 45 by 100. Okay, now which is the next one? You have to write this into a decimal. What you have to write? What's the answer?
0.45.
Very good, 0.45. Converting 45%. Converting 45% into a decimal. So it is 0.45. Very good. So children, for question, this is question number 13. Convert percent into fraction. Question number 14 is opposite. Fraction is given. You have to find the percentage. Isha, can you read? Question number 14.
Convert the following fractions into percentages and mention how they are read. Express the fractions as decimals.
Okay, so convert the following fractions into percentage. Can you say the question number A, 14A? Yes? Yes, Anandesh. Which is question number 14A?
Yes, ma'am.
14A.
63 by 100.
63 by 100. This is the question. 63 by 100. So this we have to write as a percentage. So what we have to do, Anandesh? We will write the fraction. Then?
Ma'am, we should multiply it by 100.
100%. Very good. 100. We will write the symbol also. 100%. So to convert the fraction into percentage, what do you have to do? Multiply with the 100%. So how much percentage?
63%.
Yes, 63. Very good. See children here. If you have any doubt, what do? We will cut this 100 and 100. So what is remaining? 63 percentage. Okay, 63%. So how we can read this? 63%. So it is read. Children, next question is how they are read. How they are read. Then, so we have to write here. It is
We
read.
should write it is read as 63%.
It is read as, yes. It is read as 63%. 63%. It is read as 63%. One more question is there. Yes, Anandesh, are you there? So one more we had to do. Express the fraction as decimal. Now we have to write this as decimal. Converting. Next one, step. Converting 63% into decimal. How we can convert into decimal? Yes, Chinmay, tell me the decimal equivalent to 63%.
Decimal 0.63.
0.63. We will say 63. Okay, 0.63. Very good. Okay. So children, look at this question again. The fraction is given 63 by 100. We have to convert into percentage. So multiply with 100%. How we will read that? 63%. 63%. Then converting this into decimal. How we can write 0.63? Question number B, children, you have to do alone. Question number B. Multiply and tell me the answer after 2 minutes. $57 by 100. Same step, children. 57 by 100. Then how you can convert? Okay, Richard, we'll do it together. Next one. Question number 14th B. Which is the question 14th B?
57 by 100.
Yes, 57 by 100. So 57 by 100, we will write 57 by 100 into
100%.
100%. Very good. So what is the percentage?
57%.
57. So we will write here 57%. So if you got 57 marks out of 100, so what's your percentage? 57%. So children, it is read as. It is read as.
It is read as 57%.
It is read as 57%. Here we are writing in spelling. Okay, children, words. 57%. 57%. 57%. Next one, convert this into decimal.
0.57.
0.57. Very good. So we can write here converting into decimal. Converting 57% into a decimal. So what's the answer? 0.57.
0.57.
0. Okay, Adinath, can you read the next question? Adinath?
Yes, ma'am. Convert the percentages into fractions and decimals.
Okay, it is given in the box. Yes. So children, we will do 2 questions now. 2 questions you will do as homework. Okay. Same. Very easy. Convert the given percentage into fraction. So children, you can
Ma'am,
see
so
that,
this is by 100.
yes,
Ma'am, so how we will know this is by 100?
it is percent means it is out of 100. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Percent means it is out of 100. Okay, so here question number 15. First one, what you are given, percentage is given. Percentage. And next one you have to write as a fraction. Then decimal.
Ma'am, I finished the all.
Okay, okay. So percentage means here 20%. That is the question. 20%. Okay, Madhav, can you say what is how you can write as a fraction? 20%.
20 by
Very good. 20 by 100. Very good. Okay. Now decimal form.
0.20.
Okay, 0.20. Children, if you if you want to do like this, means equivalent form 0.2, we will do like this one cut, then it is 2 by 10 means 0.20. If you write 0.2 or if you write 0.20, they are same because they are equivalent. Okay, so if you write 0.20 or 0.2, both are correct. Okay, now next one, Devak. Next question.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
55%.
55%. How will write?
55 by 100.
Yes. So children, instead of this person, we will write by 100. It is out of or 55 per 100. Per 100 means divide by 100. Okay. Now, what's the decimal equivalent?
0.55.
55. Very good. Okay. So children, the next two you can do as homework. Okay. Now, Fia, can you read the next question, Fia? Question number 16.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, convert the following into percentages and read them.
Convert. Question number 16A. That also given as a box. It is given in the box. Yes, Fia? How the question is given? It is given in the box.
Ma'am, I can hear you. Can you tell it more loudly?
I am saying louder, maybe because of that.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am,
Anandesh, can you hear me? Anandesh.
It's not given in the box.
What it is given? No, I am saying it is given in the box.
No, ma'am.
No. So you can draw the box.
Question is given in the box.
So we can write in the box. Okay. So the answer we can write in the box. So A and B we will do here. Convert the following into percentage and read them. So children, try to draw one box.
Okay, ma'am.
Question number A. Here question number A, it is 50. So we can write here, this is serial number. And this next one, we can write fraction. And the next one, you can write conversion. The question is convert the fraction into percentage. So conversion.
Ma'am, is there any problem with the drawing box?
Then here you have to write as a percentage and you have to write as a number. That means if you write here, you can do fast, easily.
Ma'am, so drawing box is compulsory?
It's not compulsory. Okay, read as. Okay, so children, I will do here A and B, C and D, you will do as homework. So children, here, this is the box, serial number, that is question number A. What is the fraction given, Isha? Question number A, fraction given
54 by 100.
54 by 100. Okay, Manu, can you tell me how we can convert 54 by 100? How we can convert into,
Ma'am,
we will write the fraction, then
then we will multiply it by 100.
100, we will write percentage symbol also. Okay. Okay.
50.
Now, then children, here in the next we have to draw one more box. Okay. Percent. We can write here percent.
Ma'am, 54.
54. Percent means we will write 54 percentage. 54 percentage. In the next box, we can write how we can read or how we can the number. How we can write 54%. We will write in the words 54%. So children, if you write like this, we can write all that in a box, then we will get enough place to write B, C and D. So question number A, it is 54 by 100. How to convert into percent? Just multiply by 100%. That symbol should be there. Now percentage will be 54%. We can cross out that 100 and 100. So what is remaining? 54%. How we can read? 54%. Okay. Next one, Ammo, which is question number B.
Ma'am,
Question number B.
28 by 50.
28 by 50. Okay. So here question number B. 28 by 50. Okay. How we can convert?
Ma'am, we should convert it into 100.
We will just write, instead of that, we how we are doing the question here. Write the fraction, then multiply with what?
50.
Multiply with
50.
Richard, listen here. I'm not asking you. Okay. Just see here. To convert, what we should do? Look here. Look at question number A. What we will do? Multiply with
100%.
Multiply with which number? Can you see the board? Yes, Adinath.
100.
Just multiply with 100%. Simplification we can do later. Okay. Simplification we can do later. 100%. 28 by 50 multiplied with 100%. Okay. Next, what we can do? This we can here 100 and 100. When we cut, it will be very easy. But here we have to do 50 and 100. Only that much. Yes, Brightlin. 50 when you divide in 100. How many times 50?
Yes, ma'am.
50. How many times in 100?
Ma'am, 2.
2 times. Yes. 2. 2 times. So 28 into 2. Find out the answer.
56.
Yes. 56.
Yeah, 56.
56. So how much percentage, children? 56%.
56%.
What Ammu said, that is correct. We should make this into 100. That is also correct. But we can find out like this in the same here. What we have to do? Multiply with 100%. So to make the fraction into percentage, we just need to multiply with 100%. And if the percentage is given, what do you have to do? Just divide by 100. So 56%. 56%. Write in words.
Ma'am, I wrote it without box.
Box, no problem. You should write all these, okay? 56%.
Okay.
56%. Okay, children. Now question number C and D. Now itself, do alone. Do alone. Question number C and D in the same box. Children, don't worry about the denominator here. Okay. Here in the next question, it is 10. We can do that. Ammu said that is correct. We have to make a denominator 10. But without making that, we just what we have to do? Just multiply with 100. Okay? Just multiply with 100 and find out the answer. Question number C and D. All of you try to do. If you are not sure, you can do in the rough book. Then you can continue in the. So I'm going to start here with the C and D. Now we are going to write here. Question number C and D. Just multiply with 100. Then you can cut and find out the percentage and write in the spellings, write in the words also you have to do. I will ask one by one. All of you has to do alone. Yes, children, finished? Okay, question number 16th one. Question number 16th one, C we are doing. Yes, Ammu, try again this one. Question number C.
Ma'am,
Fraction is
4 by 10.
4 by 10. Okay. 4 by 10 is the given fraction. So what we have to do to convert into fraction? We just need to
Multiply by 100.
multiply with 100. Then we will write the symbol also. 100%. 100%. So what here, if it is, children, please listen. If it is 100 here, we just need to cut. But here it is not 100. It is 10. So 10 and 100. When you cut, what's the answer, Ammu? Huh?
Ma'am, 10.
10.
10.
So 4 into 10. You have to multiply these two. 4 into 10.
40%.
Very good. 40. Then you have to write the symbol. 40%. Very good. Now write in the words 40%. That we have to write the spelling. Only that much. 40%. Okay. So children, either you can make that denominator 100 by multiply with the 10 and 10. But we just need to do like this. 100%. Then you can cut the numbers and multiply and write the answer. Yes, children? Next one also do complete.
I finished.
Okay, Ayman, can you say the next question? 1 minute, 1 minute. When you... Yes. Can you say question number D, Ayman?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. A 2 by 5.
2 by 5. Okay. Question number D. 2 by 5. Okay. I'm just checking whether you understand today that because you were absent that last 2 periods. Okay. 2 by 5.
Ma'am,
How to
now I
convert
understood.
into 100?
Ma'am, first divide 5 by 100.
Here what we will do? We will do same method here.
Ma'am, into
100%. Okay. 100%. Now you can cut. Okay. 5. How many times in 100?
20.
20.
Ma'am,
5
20.
in 100 it is 20. Now multiply the numerators. 20 into 2.
20 into 2, 40.
40. So the answer is 40%. This is the
Percentage.
symbol for percentage. Okay. Now how we can read this? 40%. Again, the same answer. 40. 40%. Okay, children. Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, to convert, if the fraction is given, how to convert into percentage? Just multiplied with 100%. Okay. And if the percentage is given, for example, 60%, what do you have to do? Just write 60 by 100. Okay, 60 by 100. Yes, Anthony, can you read the next question? Question number 17.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. 16th question B answer is 56%, right?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Question number
17th
17. Can you
Yes,
read?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 9 by 25 of glass is filled with water. What percentage of glass is filled with water?
To find the percentage, children, what we said, what we have to do? Just multiply with
Ma'am, we'll
just
100.
multiply
Yes,
with
ma'am. 94.
100.
100.
36.
Yeah.
36.
100.
Just multiply with 100%. Okay, just multiply with 100%. Okay, all the children, please write the steps also faster. Please try to do faster because same questions we are just writing multiply with 100%. So part of the glass here, it is word problem. So here children, how many parts? 9 by 25 parts is filled with. Some videos are off. Children, please turn on your camera. Part of a glass filled with water. Part of a glass filled with water. Part of glass filled with water. It is given 9 by 25. 9 by 25. So it is, read the question again. 9 by 25 of a glass is filled with water. What percentage of the glass is filled with water? So find out the answer, percentage. We will write in percentage.
Ma'am, I got the answer. Ma'am, I
So
got the answer.
percentage is, what you have to do? 9 by 25 into 100%. Children, find out the answer. Yes, Nandita. What's the answer?
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay. Yes, Nandita will tell
Can
me the
I say?
answer. Nandita. She is showing me, but I cannot see that properly. Yes, Nandita.
Yes, ma'am.
What's the answer? 25. How many times in 100?
Ma'am, I was not showing the answer.
Okay, now tell me. 25 and 100. Tell me. 25. How many times in 100? 25 times? Yes. Still
Ma'am,
some
can I even
videos
say?
are off. Yes, Ayman.
Ma'am, can I?
Ah.
Ma'am, 30. Ma'am, 4.
4. 90, 25, 4 times in 100. So 9 into 4 you have to multiply. 9 times 4. 9 times 4?
36.
36%. 36% of the water. Okay. So children, like this question, we will write the step like this. Part of a glass filled with water. How much percentage we have to find out? 9 by 25. So look at the question. What percentage of the glass is filled with water? Therefore, 36% of the glass is filled with water. That we can write. Okay. Therefore, 36% of the glass is 36% of the glass is filled with water. Is filled with water.
Ma'am, you're mute. Ma'am, you're mute. Ma'am, you're mute. Excuse me, ma'am, you're mute.
Children, there was a network
Okay.
problem. It was coming now only. Okay. Yes, Nandita.
Ma'am, can I show the board? Ma'am, my net is slow.
Okay. So here 36 percentage. I will send the notes. Okay. Don't worry, children. I will send the notes. So you can do faster now. Yes, Isha, can you read the next question? Question number 18.
Out of 25 students, 20 students were present in the maths class. What percentage of the students were present in the class?
Okay. So children, she said no, I was absent. So like 2-3 children are absent. We want to find out how much percentage of the children are present in the class. So how much children is present? 20 out of 25. So we will find out how much percentage of the children is present. So what we have to do? Children, first write out the steps. Total number of students. Total number of students. Question number 18. Total number of students. Total number of students. Total number of students is 25. Out of these 25 children, how many children is present? 20. Number of students present in the math class. Number of students. Number of students present in the math class.
Ma'am, the last step we can write as percentage.
Wait. We'll do together, okay? Number of students present in the math class. How many children? 20.
20.
Now look at the question, what we had to do. What percentage of the students were present? So instead of making that present children, we will write it as a fraction. Fraction of students present in math class. Fraction of students present in math class. Fraction. First we had to write it as a fraction. Fraction of students present in math class. Fraction of students present in math class. What is the answer, children? What the fraction? The total
25.
and the number of students is given.
Ma'am,
Yes,
20
who
by
can tell me the
25.
answer? Yes, children.
20 by 25.
20 by 25. Very good. 20 by 25. So the part, how we will write the fraction? The total we will write as the denominator. Always remember, total we will write as the denominator. So 20 by 25. Now we can write 20 by 25 as a percentage. 20 by 25 as a percentage we had to write. How we can do 20 by 25? What do you have to do? Multiply with what?
100.
100%. 100%. Don't say the answers louder. I will ask one by one. All the children has to do this alone. 20 by 25 into 100. It's easy how you will divide 25 and 100. 25 how many times in 100? Yes, Abhimanyu. Can you tell me? 25. How many times it will go in 100? In the previous question also we did like this. Yes, Abhimanyu? 25. How many times in 100? Yes? Yes, fast. Last question also we did same. Yes, Chris Joe. 25. How many times in 100?
4.
4. Yes. This 25. 4 times. So multiply this 4 and 20. 2 4s are. Then you have to add just 1 0. 4 2s are
80.
8.
Ma'am,
8 and 0. So the answer is
8%.
80%. Very good. So 20 children out of 25 means that is 80 percentage. So children, you can write therefore 80 percentage of the students were present in math class. Is that clear? First, what you have to do, children? Write the total number of students. Total number of students is 25. Number of students present in math class, 20. Then write as a fraction. Then write as a percentage, 20 by 25 into 100. So the answer is 80 percentage. Therefore, 80 percentage of the students were present in math class. Of the students were present in the math class. Okay. Therefore, 80 percentage of the student. Pranav, are you there? Pranav? Yes, Pranav? I can see only one chair over there. Are you there? If I want to see some children, those who are not read, the video is off. Yes, Angelina. Angelina is feeling sleepy. Yes? Question number 19. I cannot hear you. Network problem, I think. Yes, Angelina?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes. Now I can hear. Before it was not there.
Out of 50 students, 20 students like playing football, 16 students like kabaddi, and the others like cricket. What is the percentage of students like each game?
Okay. So what is the total number of students? Total number of students.
Total 50.
50.
It is
So
50,
children, we will
ma'am.
do together. Same like question number 18. Total
Ma'am,
number of
can you
students.
hear me clearly?
Now I can hear. Sometimes it's not clear. Total number of students. Yes, Angelina, total is
50.
50. And it is given the number of students who like football, then kabaddi, and the rest of the children, that is cricket. So we have to find out percentage of students. So we will do one by one. Number of students who like football. Can you tell me how many students like
Yes,
football?
ma'am, 20.
20. Okay. Number of students who like, number of students who like football.
20.
20. Yes. So now next what we will do, we will write as a fraction and percentage together. So what is a fraction? 20 by total number. 20 by, what is the total?
Total number.
Total is given
50.
So 20 by 50. So children, we will write, otherwise we will not get place. So we are not writing fraction, that step, we are just writing percentage. Percentage of students who like football. Percentage of students who like football.
Yes. 20 by 50 into 100 percentage.
Yes, very good. So children, here 20 is the number of students who like football out of 50. So 20 by 50. Then how to convert into percentage? 100 percentage.
20 by 50 into 100 percentage.
Yes. Now 50 and 100 you can easily cut. 50.
Yes, ma'am.
How many
50
times in
by
100?
50 into 2.
2. So now you have to multiply 20 and 2.
40, ma'am.
So the number of students or the percentage is 40 percentage. 40.
Yes, ma'am.
20 times 2. Children, like this you have to write for kabaddi and cricket. So first step, what you will write? Number of students who like kabaddi. Then write the percentage. Then write the number of students who like cricket. So cricket, how you will find out? Football plus kabaddi. Find out, then minus from the total.
Ma'am, can I see the answer?
Wait. So children, look at this step. Like the same step you have to write. Number of students who like kabaddi, percentage of students who like kabaddi.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Number of students who like kabaddi. Now next year, let me see. Anandesh will tell me that. Anandesh. All others mute. Number of students who like.
Can I mute?
Yes, Anjali.
16.
Number of students who like kabaddi. Yes, 16.
16.
Yes, Angelina, you can mute.
Okay, ma'am.
Number of students who like kabaddi. Number of students who like kabaddi, that is 16. Okay, now what we will write? Percentage. Percentage of students who like kabaddi. Percentage of students who like kabaddi. Yes, Anadesh?
Ma'am, finish the question.
16 by?
16 by
Okay.
50.
16 by?
15 to 100%.
Yes, 100 percentage. Very good. So here children, all these 50 and 100 you can cut and write 2. So 2 into 16.
32.
So the answer is 32 percentage of the students who like kabaddi. Okay, next Adinath. And you can mute. Adinath, tell me how many students who like cricket? Number of students who like cricket?
Ma'am, 40.
How much? 14. Very good. Children, how you can find out? You have to take 50 minus 16 plus how much for football? 20. 20 plus 16 is 32. It's 30.
36.
36. 20 plus 16. We have to write 20 plus 16. Then, so the answer you will get. Okay. So next step, number of students like cricket. Number of students who like cricket. So children, we will get 50 minus 36. So the answer is 14. So out of the, how we'll get 14? 20 children like football and 16 children like kabaddi. So 20 plus 16, 36. 50 minus 36, the answer is 14. So percentage of students who like cricket. Percentage of students who like cricket. Yes, Manu, tell me. 14 by
50.
50. Very good. Into percentage means multiply with 100. Very good. 100 percentage. Here also 50 into 100. You will get 2.
2.
So 14 times 2.
24.
14 into 2. 4
Ma'am,
2s are
28.
28 percentage. Yes, very good. 28 percentage. So percentage of students who like cricket is 28 percentage. What percentage of students like each game? So we have found out 40 percentage of the students like football, 32 percentage like kabaddi, and 28% like cricket. So football, kabaddi and cricket.
Cricket.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, minimum means smallest, right?
From where you got this? Next question.
Ma'am, 20th question. 20th
Ah.
question.
We will discuss now. Wait, okay. Rohit. Can you read the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Question number?
Out of 100
20,
marks in each subject, Ankita
Ankita.
scored 35 marks in maths, 91 marks in English, 45 marks in science, and 80 marks in social studies. What is percentage of marks scored in each subject? In which subjects did she score the maximum and minimum percentages?
Okay. So children here, you know, if it is out of 100, we just need to write the number, that percentage. So why he scored so much less mark in maths? Is it difficult? Right?
Ma'am, I think she hates maths.
Okay. Now, you ask me which is the minimum and which is the maximum. Look at the number and tell me which is the minimum.
Ma'am, not that. Ma'am, minimum is smallest, right?
Yeah. Minimum means which is the small number and maximum. So children,
Means,
it's
biggest
very
one.
easy. So that it is out of 100. So 35 means 35% she scored in maths, 91% in English, 45% in science and 80% in social. So I think most of the children find math and science difficult. That's why less mark. How do you feel? How you score math marks?
Ma'am, I like maths.
Maths.
Ma'am, I like
So
maths.
you are not getting that much difference like this. Yes, children. Maths and science and English, you are getting same marks. Yes.
Ma'am,
So you are getting almost all same marks. So
Yes, ma'am.
Ankita, she's like special case. She likes only, I think, English and maybe social and science, and also 45% only. So if the marks is given out of 100, it is, you can say directly 91%, 40%. So children, we will write together. Write it faster. Okay, so we can complete this. Question number 20. Marks scored by Ankita in maths. Marks scored by Ankita. Marks scored by Ankita in maths. So it is given 35 out of 100. 35 out of 100. So how we can write as a fraction? 35 out of 100. So percentage. Percentage means percentage in maths. 35 by 100. See, if it is out of 100, even if you write 100%, there is no change. You can cut these two. So the answer is 35%. So if it is out of 100, no need to multiply. Just we can write 35, then the same percent symbol, 35%. Children like this for English and science and social. Marks in English, same steps. Marks in English. $91 out of 100. 91 out of 100 means 91 by 100. So what is the percentage? 91 itself. Percentage in English. Yes, Anthony, what is the percentage in English?
Ma'am, 91%.
91% in English. 91%. So very easy. You can write alone. Marks in science. "45 out of 100. 45 out of 100, how we can write? 45 by 100. Then a percentage in science. You can just write here 45 percentage. Because it is out of 100, we just need to write it. Marks in social studies. How much marks, Devak, in social?
80.
80.
80 by 100.
80 by 100.
By 100.
Yes. Next, we can write percentage. Percentage in social studies.
80%.
80%, yes. %. So children, the question is, in which subjects did she score the maximum and the minimum percentage? So we can write 35 is the minimum and 91 is the maximum. So we can write 35 percentage is the 35% is the minimum. 35% is the minimum and 91% is the maximum. 91% is the maximum. So which are the subjects she scored minimum and maximum? Therefore, Simran scored the maximum in English and the minimum in maths. That we had to write because they have asked the subjects. First one they asked, in which subject did she score the maximum and minimum? So 35% is the minimum. That is for maths. 95% is the maximum. That is for English. Okay, so next step, children, I will send the notes after this class, okay? So if anyone facing some network issue or any disturbance, I will send the notes after this. Therefore, Simran scored the maximum in English. In English and the minimum in maths. Minimum in maths. Okay, therefore Simran scored the maximum in English and the minimum in maths. Okay, children, only this much we will do. Now here 20 questions over. 21 and 22 we will do during our same like these questions, finding the percentage, what percentage of students like that, what percentage is left. Okay, so we will wind up the class now. Till question number 20 we have finished. 21 and 22 we will do during our revision time. And next class we will start the new chapter, chapter 13. Okay, so I want, if any children have not written any questions or children finished? Anchana still writing? Not over? Write it fast. Therefore, Simran scored maximum in English and minimum in maths. So we'll start from here, which is the question we have started here. See children, question number 20, I'm showing again. Marks scored by Ankita in maths, 35 out of 100. So we'll write 35 by 100. Percentage means we have to multiply with 100. So this is out of 100. So same number you will get, 35 percentage. And in English, 91 by 100, that means 91%. Then in science, 45 out of 100. So percentage in science is 45 percentage. And in social studies, 80 by 100, that means 80 percentage. So you can see which is the minimum. 35 is the minimum. And which is the maximum? 91 percentage is the maximum. So Simran scored maximum in English and minimum in maths. Okay, children, I will send the notes in the WhatsApp after this class. So try to study chapter this percentage and children percentage.
It is Simran you have wrote. It is Simran.
Who is the person? Who is the person?
It is Ankita.
Ankita. Okay. So you can make her Ankita.
At last. Okay.
Because I don't want Ankita to score less mark in maths. Okay. So whenever you get
on the shop that
okay, you can change that name. Okay, Ankita. So children, try to study this chapter. We will start the new topic in the next class. I will send the notes and write the notes in the notebook when I'm sending in the notes.
When is the revision of this chapter?
Yes.
When is the revision of this chapter?
After finishing the topics, okay. We have next topic is area and perimeter. Okay, children. Bye. We will start the new topic area in the next class. Bye.